Prepare to encounter some of evolution's most remarkable creations. Turtles that look like they've emerged from a fantasy world, yet exist right here on Earth. From a giant that inspired Darwin's theory to a master of disguise that resembles floating leaves, these extraordinary reptiles showcase nature's incredible creativity. Each species has developed unique survival strategies through millennia of adaptation, resulting in forms so unusual you might doubt they're real. Hidden in plain sight, the world's most extraordinary turtles and their untold stories. Their incredible disguises and specialized anatomy reveal nature's most ingenious solutions to survival. Love learning about unique creatures? Join our community. Subscribe to Information Thin today. The adaptation at number 2 will truly shock you. Number 10. Giant Island Tortoise, Giant Galapagos. The giant Galapagos tortoise is perhaps the most iconic of all turtle species, known for its immense size and incredible lifespan. These gentle giants can weigh over 900 pounds and live for more than 150 years. They are the largest cold-blooded terrestrial herbivore on Earth, playing a crucial role in their ecosystem by dispersing seeds and shaping the landscape as they move. Their distinct shell shape varies between island populations, with some having dome-shaped shells and others possessing saddle-backed shells that allow for greater neck extension. Charles Darwin's observations of these variations between islands provided crucial early evidence for his theory of natural selection. These tortoises can survive for months without food or water, making them perfectly adapted to their island environment. Number 9. Snake-necked turtle. This Indonesian native appears as if a turtle and a snake were combined into one creature. Its extraordinarily long neck can stretch nearly as long as its shell, allowing it to strike at fish and invertebrates with remarkable speed. When threatened, it folds its neck sideways beneath the edge of its shell rather than retracting it directly backward. The species exhibits complex social behavior and has been observed engaging in group feeding activities in its limited native habitat. Unfortunately, this unique turtle is critically endangered due to extensive collection for the international pet trade. Protected areas have been established around Roti Island, but enforcement remains challenging against persistent, illegal wildlife trafficking. Number 8. Leaf mimic turtle, Matamata turtle. The Matamata looks less like a turtle and more like a pile of submerged leaves and bark. Its flattened, triangular head features numerous skin flaps that break up its outline, while its snorkel-like nose allows it to breathe while completely motionless. This species possesses extremely poor eyesight, but compensates with highly sensitive skin flaps on its head and neck that detect the slightest water movement. When feeding, it opens its enormous mouth so quickly that it creates a vacuum, sucking prey in with a force surprising for such a sedentary-looking animal. Matamatas prefer slow-moving, blackwater streams and swamps with plenty of leaf litter for camouflage. Their unusual appearance makes them popular in zoos and aquariums, though they require specialized care to thrive in captivity. Number 7. Pinnacle turtle, pin-nosed. This unusual turtle features a distinctive, elongated snout that functions like a natural snorkel. The protruding nose allows the turtle to remain almost completely submerged while still being able to breathe air at the water's surface. The nose structure contains specialized sensory cells that help detect prey movement in murky waters. Despite its unusual appearance, this turtle is an excellent swimmer and uses its streamlined shell to navigate fast-moving currents in its native habitat. These turtles are primarily carnivorous, feeding on fish, crustaceans, and aquatic insects in the rivers of Southeast Asia. Their specialized snout makes them particularly vulnerable to water pollution, as contaminants can easily accumulate in the sensitive nasal tissues. Number 6. Flat-shelled turtle, Spiny Softshell. Unlike most turtles with hard, domed shells, this species possesses a flat, leathery, and flexible carapace edged with small spines. Its pancake-like profile allows it to bury itself completely in sandy or muddy river bottoms in seconds. The turtle's skin has a rubbery texture, and its nose resembles a snorkel, making it perfectly adapted for its aquatic lifestyle. Females grow significantly larger than males, and can be surprisingly aggressive when defending their nesting sites on sandy riverbanks. These turtles can obtain oxygen through their skin and throat lining, allowing them to remain submerged for extended periods. Number 5. Plated tortoise, African pancake. True to its name, this East African species has a remarkably flat, flexible shell that resembles a pancake. Unlike most tortoises with high domed shells for protection, this species relies on its ability to squeeze into narrow rock crevices when threatened. When lodged in rock cracks, it inflates its body to become virtually impossible to remove. This unique defense mechanism has evolved specifically for its rocky outcrop habitat in Kenya and Tanzania. Pancake tortoises are surprisingly social and often share crevices with multiple individuals. Number 4. Madagascan plowshare, Angonoka tortoise. Considered one of the rarest tortoises in the world, the Angonoka is known for the distinctive gular scute that projects from its plastron like a plowshare. This magnificent tortoise exhibits complex social behaviors, including mating rituals that involve ramming shells and vocalizations. Males use their specially adapted shell shape to flip competitors during mating season disputes. Conservation efforts include captive breeding programs and community engagement to protect remaining wild populations from habitat loss and illegal collection. Number 3. Coastal diamond turtle, Diamondback terrapin. This strikingly patterned turtle inhabits the brackish coastal waters of the eastern United States. Its name comes from the diamond-shaped growth rings on its shell, which features beautiful concentric patterns in gray, brown, and yellow. The species nearly faced extinction in the early 1900s due to overwhelming demand for its meat, considered a delicacy. Today, it faces new threats from crab traps and coastal development, though conservation measures have helped many populations recover significantly. These turtles possess specialized salt glands that allow them to excrete excess salt from their bodies, a crucial adaptation for life in brackish water.